Hello friends! Have you anytime faced a situation where your cloth drying stand is full to the extent that you do not have a little bit space for hanging small clothes, or even maybe you might have extra pair of jeans or extra t-shirts that are yet to be put on the stand but you're out of space? So what you would do in such cases, in case if you need to dry all these things, maybe socks or maybe kids bibs or something like that, or kids clothes or many other things, what you would do in that case is what I am going to show you. Also, another bonus tip of how to dry bed sheets. Yes, usually when we have guests come over to our place and after they have gone, we have a lot of bed sheets to put for wash, and the worst thing is how to get these bed sheets dried is what I'm going to show you all in today's hack. So stay along. Such kind of scene might be common at your place as well. So for this, what you'll have to do is you'll need to take a hanger, okay, and whatever extra wet clothes like t-shirts and all which are easy to hang, you all can place them on the hanger and put them on the side of the stand, the corner of the stand, and adjust it. So in this way you will have enough of space to hang the excess clothes that you all have remaining. And in case if you all have small clothes like the kids clothes or socks, for that there's another solution. Take again a hanger with thread and scissors and just tie a knot. This is the hook kind of knot over here that I'm tying, and this knot I will place it on one corner of the hanger, and the same kind of knot I will do on the other one as well, and it should be looking somewhat like this once done. And thereafter, if you all have these clips which you all use for clothes, you all can place them on this thread. Some of these clips have a little gap in between, a hole in between where you all can pass the thread. If not, you all can simply pinch it and clip it through the thread, and then you can hang your socks or other teeny tiny clothes on it, which will dry in a faster way. Now the bonus tip, that's how to dry the bed sheets that you have put in your house. So as I had shown, place the chairs wide apart and place your bed sheets over this chair, spread it over this chair in this way, and you can leave it overnight, and let me tell you, by morning, without any fan or anything, it is going to be all dried and you will be surprised. This is a very easy way of drying your bed sheets. Didn't you find the hack useful? So if you have found it useful, definitely others will find it as well. So in order for others to find it useful, you all will have to do a small thing. Click on the share button that you see below so that this video can reach out to many others out there. For those of y'all who are coming here for the first time or have been regular visitors but have not yet clicked on the subscribe button, for some reason have forgotten, then it's a reminder to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it to get updates on all my upcoming videos. If y'all have any suggestions or requests, please feel free to send us an email, or y'all can even leave us a comment. That's all on today's episode. Hope y'all have liked it. Do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you next time with another new hack. Till then, bye from me.